What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this basic color switch. A prerequisite to this color switch would be doing a J toss with one side. You're going to be doing that with one hand, and then with the opposite hand, you're going to be doing a 2-beat drop spin. So to start, we want the Flowstar to be coming towards us, and so we could do a reverse figure 8 and just do a little toss. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the J toss with my left hand. I'm going to grab the Flowstar from the inside, I'm going to bring it out, and we're going to go down here, and it will drop the Flowstar, and that's where it'll switch the color, and then we're going to use that momentum to pop it back up with your palm facing outward. So we're going to grab it, we're going to do a reverse figure 8, toss it, and then your Flowstar will look like this, and you're going to drop it so it changes that color, and we're using that momentum to come back up. So inside, drop, spin, toss. This is a great way to do drills with both hands and just to get your non-dominant hand comfortable doing things that your dominant hand can do better. So we can do this with both sides. 1, 2, 3. I guess I should also add that the J spin, when you're doing it with this side, you're going 1, 2, and then it's like a half of a J spin. The next thing we're going to do is the 2-beat drop spin when we're going back. And I like to do 2 beats for the drop spin because it'll keep it clean on the vertical plane. So we're going to be going back up, and we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm just going to turn around so you can see me do this. So we're going to go bring it out, grab it from the inside. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. So combine all of it on each side, and that is how you can do a color switch. This is a clean way of doing it, but say that there's going to be a faster drop in a song. You can also grab the Flowstar from the outside. And just for an example, we're going to grab it from the outside and then go straight across onto the other side of our body. Again, we're going to just go on that side of the body, and that'll be a way to hit a beat if the drop is going a little faster than you expected. And that is how you do the basic color switch. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more. Happy flowing.